Now, non-resident Indians or NRIs have a desire to give back to their country. Often they invest in education or in sports. One such person is doing both in the village of Jasowal Kullar near Ludhiana.
The only sport that you could think of in this setting would be a bullock cart race or maybe kabaddi. Yet in the middle of the yellow mustard fields, this side surely stands out. 14 tennis courts in village Jasowal Kullar, which is about 30 km from Ludhiana.
When you succeed in life, it becomes your obligation to do something for your native place. I thought tennis is very expensive and the poor kids cannot afford it. So racket alone costs sometimes 11,000 rupees and the shoes last only 2 months. They cost 4,000 rupees, so I thought I may help a few people.
Harvinder Saran made his money in the real estate business in Canada. 7 years ago, he set up this 10-acre Harvest Tennis Academy at a cost of 55 crores. Close to 200 children train at this residential facility. One of them is 17-year-old Rimpledeep Kaur. She's ranked 10 in India in the under-18 category. Yet 7 years ago, she didn't even pick up a tennis racket.
मैं गांव से ही हूँ और गांव के स्कूल में पढ़ती थी. मैं 5th में थी जब हावी अंकल हमारी क्लास में आए, स्कूल में आए और उन्होंने हमारी क्लास से पूछा कि कौन कौन टेनिस खेलना चाहता है और मैंने बाकियों को देख के भी हाथ खड़ा कर दिया.
The academy is nurturing tennis players in the rural areas of Punjab, a state which is mostly known as a nursery of hockey and kabaddi players. At the same time, the academy is ensuring a holistic development of the youth by providing them education in the same campus. The unique combination of the tennis academy along with an international school has been a winner. Some children pay to be in this school, while those from poorer villages get scholarships.
The best part is like the tennis academy is like in my village only, so I don't like have to travel outside like in abroad. So many people can come here too. It's very like good academy. Best type of courts are here.
Harvest Tennis Academy has various trophies in different age groups to show for their success.
But the key for the success of the academy is the overall holistic development of the player. Where the player ends up at the completion of our program really defines the success.
We have one of the best fitness instructors from Canada, and she changed lots of things as far as food is concerned, as far as fitness training is concerned. That's why our kids are performing better as far as national games are concerned. If you're talking about international, they have a long way to go.
Jasowal Kullar may not have produced the next Leander Paes or Sania Mirza yet, but they are already winners because of taking tennis to this rural setting and giving village children a chance to follow their dreams. In Ludhiana, with camera person Ashwini Mehra, Debanjana Moitra for NDTV.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.